Yeah, hi, Namaste.
Yeah, it's been long time that we have met, and of course with students also. How are your students? Good afternoon, everyone.
Good afternoon,
Good
ma'am.
afternoon, ma'am.
Great.
Great.
Good afternoon,
So
ma'am.
nice. Yeah,
Good
so
afternoon,
nice to
ma'am.
hear your voice.
Good
Thank you so
afternoon.
much. Yeah. So good afternoon. I hope you're all doing well, even with your parents at your homes. Everyone is safe and staying healthy. We all wish and always look forward for your health and of course your parents also. So stay healthy first of all. That's my strong wishes to you. Then you must have all known about today's program. This is the awareness program Kusma has introduced, that it is about Disha app that our government has introduced for the safety of girl students and of course women. So this is the app, and which is also called as a tool to protect ourselves. So what do you think about this actually? So one student can speak about that. I just want to know how the students are feeling about the introduction of this app. So let me know, first of all, in just 2 or 3 lines, your opinion, the one who may give on behalf of your team members or other girls there. Hello?
Hello, ma'am.
Yeah, am I audible, ma?
Yes, ma'am.
Likita, yeah, good. So do you want to speak? No, I just want to know what is your opinion? Yeah, what do you feel about the very introduction of this app? Is that very useful for you, or is that going to protect you really? And what is your feeling about this?
Yes, ma'am. It is very useful as our government has launched newly for the safety of girls. So to give the awareness of this, you have attended this meeting.
Yeah, very nice.
Do you think it's going to be very useful? And in which way is it useful only to students, or is it useful to everybody?
Every
I want
woman, ma'am.
to all the women. Is it only for people who are working, or is it for everyone? Come
It
on.
is ve- it is
Even it will.
useful for everyone, ma'am, who are using smartphone.
Yeah, who are using smartphone or who are using phone. Is there anyone nowadays who is without a phone, even a maid or anyone? They're also with phones, and not all with the smartphones, but at least they have a phone with them, right? So
We can
irrespective, we can expect.
Yeah, we can expect the government should introduce such Android phones, which is available to, in the reach of everyone who may not even affordable, right? That is what we are looking forward, and definitely the government will take such steps also, right? So, in the beginning, what I thought, what is the necessity of this awareness program in our college? Because I thought each and every girl student knows about that, and we should understand how significant this is for each and every girl student here. Our mid college students should have this kind of knowledge, and they will think about this actually. So I thought of what is the need of awareness program. But when we received the number of girl students who have downloaded this app, there was unfortunately few students, most of the students left without downloading this app. So I thought, okay, it may be necessary for us to take this awareness program so that the girl students should feel each and everyone, not a few. So our motto and criteria is that we should see each and every student should download this app. Isn't it true, girls?
Soon after the webinar, ma'am, soon after the webinar, or maybe even during the webinar, I'm going to download, you are going to download, and all the girl students who are here in MITS, They will download, and after going, and they will tell even their friends, everybody across, they will tell them to download. Then you will get to know, is it really necessary or not? Okay, let's go ahead.
Yeah. My children, I just want to know, of course, you will download. Here onwards, each and every student will download the app. There is no need to collect the number of students who have downloaded here onwards, right? Because as much of the strength of the girl students we find in the principal's chambers on the board, every student we can take into consideration that all our girl students have been downloaded. And of course, it's as it is very, how important and how it is useful, right? Okay, so once you have downloaded this app, did you try to know how it works? I mean to say, ఇప్పుడు I would come to తెలుగు జస్ట్ నేను తెలుగులో కొంచెం చెప్తాను చూడండి. ఇప్పుడు మీరు డౌన్లోడ్ చేసుకోవడానికి చేసుకున్న తర్వాత అన్ఫార్చునేట్లీ మనకు ఒక అవసరం వచ్చింది, ఈ SOS ఆన్ చేయాలి అని అనుకుందాం. మోస్ట్లీ ఇప్పుడు అవేర్నెస్ ప్రోగ్రామ్స్ లో సీఎం కూడా చేశారు. గౌతమ్ సవాంగ్ DGP, స్టేట్ DGP has also conducted one workshop. సో ఇక్కడంతా వీళ్ళు ఏం చెప్పారు, మీకు అవసరమైనప్పుడు దీన్ని ప్రెస్ చేస్తే వెంటనే ఒక 6 minutes లోపల మనకు రిప్లై వస్తుంది అని చెప్పారు. సో నా పాయింట్ ఆఫ్ వ్యూలో ఏంటంటే, ఏదైనా ఒక అపాయం అనేది మనకు తెలిసి రాదు, తెలియకుండా అది మన దగ్గరకు ఏ యాంగిల్లో వస్తుందో, ఏ వేలో వస్తుందో అనేది we can't tell. Isn't it true? So in that particular moment, how can we use this app immediately? Because we have to open the app and then even shake that. Even when it comes to the point of shaking the mobile, we have to open the app. We may not have even that time also to even open the app and to shake it. Am I right? Rather than going inside and pressing it on SOS, they are telling that we can even shake it. But when? That it is only after opening the app. So anyway, you have to open the screen, open the lock system, right? You have to unlock the mobile, then find out the app wherever it is. Of course, you put it on the main screen in the reachable distance. It's okay. But still, it takes a few seconds, right? So now my doubt is, how do we make use of this even in such circumstances where it is very, very necessary for us? How do we do that? Is there any answer for this? Anybody have any answer for this? I would like to know on behalf of you all girl students. So one girl student, if you have anything in your mind regarding, for my question. So do please respond to that.
Is there anyone who can give any response? Would you like to give any response?
Hello, children, are you hearing? Hello, is it audible to you all?
Yes, madam, it's audible.
Yeah. Yeah. Good. So it is audible. So have you understood the question?
Yes, madam.
నా క్వశ్చన్ అర్థమైంది కదా నాన్న. మనకు ఆపద అనేది ఏ విధంగా వస్తుందో, ఏ టైంలో వస్తుందో అన్ఎక్స్పెక్టెడ్లీ, అసలు ఫ్రాక్షన్ ఆఫ్ సెకండ్ లేకుండా మన దగ్గరికి రావచ్చు అనుకున్నాం. ఏదైనా సరే ఈ యాప్ ఇంట్రడ్యూస్ చేసిన తర్వాత మన ఈవినింగ్ సౌండ్స్ ఉంటాయి కదా, వాళ్ళు దీన్ని కూడా అయిపోతారు. ఇప్పుడు మనకి ఇది యాప్ మన కోసం, మన ప్రొఫెషన్ కోసం ప్రొడ్యూస్ చేసిన దీన్ని కూడా వాళ్ళు డిస్కస్ చేస్తారు.
Definitely, ma'am.
మర్చిపోకూడదు. సో చాలా రీసెర్చ్ చేసి మనకు ఏ వైపు నుంచి మనకి ఎన్ని క్యాండిడేట్స్ వస్తారో మనకు తెలియదు. మరి అటువంటి ఈ యాప్ చేసి షేక్ చేయడం లేకపోతే యాప్ లోకి వెళ్ళి ఎక్స్పోజ్ ప్రెస్ చేయమని చెప్తున్నారు. ఆ టైం కూడా ఏం చేస్తారు? దీనికి ఏదైనా సొల్యూషన్ ఉందా? ఏదైనా
Probably you are right now taking us to another level, and then you are giving us a different insight.
Your voice is not that peaceful.
Yeah, I understand. So it's not that easy to go to that thing. You must be knowing Disha's
Voice
case
is
actually.
coming, ma'am.
Disha was driving the vehicle, and her vehicle was punctured, and that was the time she happened to have this incident. That's the reason, as a citizen, this mobile app is introduced. Probably it's not that exactly at the time of emergency it has to, but at the same time, you are supposed to have a critical thinking skills.
Of course. That's
Probably
what
they are going to answer the critical thinking skills now. The app is always it's only for our comfort, it is only for our help, but we cannot depend totally on the app.
popular motion.
We cannot totally depend on it. But at that time,
Of course,
you will have a key. You have a key. You have a pin. You have a pin.
Ma'am, your voice is echoing.
yeah, ma'am. Yeah, please.
Noted.
No, the girl is speaking. One girl is speaking. Come on, ma'am.
She said your voice is echoing. Probably I'll shift to another. You sit here.
Actually, ma'am,
Sit here.
little disturbances in your voice, ma'am.
Yeah, disturbance is there. I tried with my laptop and it is just failing. That's the reason I'm just switching over to my mobile. Okay. So now there is no echo, right? There's no echo.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am. No,
yeah. As per Vijayalakshmi madam's attendance on this, that it is the next level thinking. Of course, it is the next level thinking. But what I mean to say, what we can think about during such circumstances is very simple. According to me, even before we check out for some place, we know that where we are going, right? As in one of the
Yes,
cases
yes.
before in Telangana, that about that girl, right? She did not tell her parents that where she was going. She told, she gave information at home that she was going to where? Some dentist or some where, right?
Yeah.
She went
Doctor's
there, and
appointment.
from there, where did she go? She did not give proper information to either to her parents or to her sister or nobody. She did give no any information to anybody, right? So what I am telling is in a very simple way, wherever you go, you please forward that information to any one of your kith and kin, right? Maybe parents, if you are very much threatened about by your father, you can give information to your mother or one of your siblings or one of your cousins or one of your friends, whoever that you can share the information. చూడండమ్మా నేను మీరు ఎక్కడికి వెళ్ళకూడదు అని చెప్పడం లేదు. That is not my intention. My intention
Yeah,
is
ma'am.
just
Even we are working
Yeah.
and we are moving
Yeah.
from one place to another all the time.
yeah, regular movements, it's okay. We are moving to our college, it's okay. Right from the college, through college bus we reach or either some vehicle or something like that. These are the regular things. When you are doing some abnormal or irregular activity that is very new for you, please pass that information to any one of your friends or whoever it is that you can share the message with. Okay, so this may also be helpful to you along with this app. So when this app was introduced, my first doubt was that, and I shared this doubt with you now. Of course, it may be up to your critical thinking. Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, ma'am. That's a perfect thing. That's what I said. A pen or a pin or anything will help them. All that they need is, yeah, I should come out of this danger. That is what they have to think. Once they think about this, yeah, I have to be out of this danger.
then they can come out. And additionally, AP government is asking us to utilize the technology and to obtain the assistance, obtain the help from various sources. And most of the time, the Indian girls are very, very shy by their nature. A few of them are very shy by their nature, and most of them, they have their background. They are from rural areas, and that background is not sufficient for them to give this kind of input and all that. So with that, there is all the time there is a kind of fear complex, and that fear complex has made them that they are not very safe. Most of the women folk in general, only they'll be very comfortable when they are at home or in their workplace. That's all. Later in the other places, they don't feel comfortable. They don't feel safe. That's the reason women's safety, it's the top priority of the entire nation and entire earth, because you see only two genders, male and female, and the transgenders. You leave them. They know how to take care of themselves. But women, I mean, we occupy half of the Earth's population. So we should be really safe. We should know how to protect ourselves. And then we should take the technology help, and then we should protect ourselves also. That's the reason. That's the reason with a bigger vision. AP government has introduced an app, Disha app. So it's the people's individual and collective responsibility to raise this awareness program. It's madam's responsibility, it is my responsibility, and it is your responsibility. That's the reason in the beginning I said, madam, you are going to download the app. I'm going to download the app. Everybody is going to download the app, because for our safety, we have to download this, because it's not this. Somebody is going to come and help, but where exactly we can go to the places? I mean, places of safe places in which way we can safeguard ourselves. The app is really going to help us, not after meeting the eventuality or much before meeting the eventuality, we can safeguard ourselves. This is what DGP Gautam Savang also said. It is a people's and individuals' collective responsibility to raise awareness regarding protection and development of women, either in AP or in any country or even in entire world.
Yeah, even this kind of prior intimation to any one of your family members or friends is connected to that app only once again, right? So they may also protect you. They may also find out through your app and through your number and whatever. So that is what really it is also connected to the technology. I'm not telling that. It is something beyond this technology or app or something like that. It is also connected to this app. Giving clear intimation to any one of your friends or family may also helpful to connect to your mobile number thereafter, applying to this app or something like that. So that is what I intended to say. Then, yeah, ma'am.
Yeah, go ahead, ma'am.
Yeah. So now you tell students, have you downloaded your app? All of you downloaded that app? All of you?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
Very good. Very
I request all the LRs of each class, each section, to see that all the girl students in that particular section should download that app. And if they don't have any idea on how to download that, it's really inappropriate to talk about this, because you are all engineering students. It's very
Yeah,
simple
yeah,
to
yeah.
download this app. I have also downloaded. I have that app now on my mobile, because when I could do that, each and every student can do that.
Absolutely,
And you
absolutely.
are not a student
Ma'am,
from
you are a role
school.
model, and then we all follow you. Come on.
I just don't know much about this technology and using mobiles and apps and all this. I always used to tell to my daughter to do something like this, whenever I need that in my mobile. So I tried on that. So register on. No, she just told me go to Play Store and press on that Disha.
Disha.
Then you
Yeah.
take that app installation. It will be given there. You may need to press on that installation. It takes little, few seconds, and the app will appear on your screen. We can go back to our screen and can find that app. And opening that app, it asks us to log in or sign in, right? As just we do on our computers, as you all know it very well. It's very simple. I don't think there is any risk in doing this job, just a few minutes. So I request, humbly all the LRs of each section to see that each and every student, and in your family also, your siblings, your mother, including your mother, don't forget that mothers are also a concern in the present days,
Madam becomes very emotional. She has two girl students. She becomes totally emotional. Come
So you have
on.
to take care and ask them to download that. So we must find each and every student should download this app and they should have in their mobiles.
Okay. I'm going to give you an interesting story. Madam, for your information and for students' information. My
Yeah.
son empowered me, madam. My son empowered me, saying a very wonderful thing. Mummy, use technology. Use technology, take the help of technology, and then make your way. Your son need not be with you, your husband need not be with you. All that you need to do is navigate the whole world. So, believe it or
Sure.
not, believe it or not, what I did, madam, for 3 months, entire US, some many parts of US, I went all alone with a smartphone and one credit card. That's all. One credit card and
పక్కన ఏజ్
smartphone.
అది బావంత ఏజ్ లేదు కదా అందుకంటాను
ఆ ఏజ్ అస్సలు ప్రాబ్లమే లేదండి.
బావంత ఏజ్ ఉందా అంత శాలరీ
Hello, somebody is Tejashwini. Your microphone is switched on, my dear. If you just don't mind, you mute it. And as you said, ఏజ్ ఈజ్ నాట్ ఎ క్రైటీరియా. అసలు వయసుతో పనే లేదు. అందరం చిన్న పిల్లల నుంచి పెద్దవాళ్ళ వరకు మన సేఫ్టీ మన రెస్పాన్సిబిలిటీ. It is our responsibility. And when I started moving, madam, surprisingly, the smartphone started showing me in US. Smartphone started showing me the nearest places where I can dine, police stations, hospitals, and different contacts. Then I became very, very eager. Likewise, even Disha is going to show us police stations, near hospitals, and useful contacts if at all we feel threatened at any point of time. All that we can do is we can browse and then go to such a place where you feel safe and secured, where somebody is there to protect you, or some technology is there to record everything. Such places they are asking us to go, like ATMs or like police stations. So Gautam Savangsa said, unfortunately in India, once we see the policeman, we feel threatened. We feel threatened. Instead of feeling safe, we feel threatened. Such a thing is not in other countries, but nowadays even the police people are really behaving very well and they are very helpful. Gautam Savangsa, he said the same thing. And almost many lady police are at our disposal and they are there to help us. So my
Yeah,
dears,
yeah. So
don't
even
ever
they are
feel
calling it as
that.
a Mitra. No, Police Mitra or something.
Police Mitra, yes madam. Police
Yeah,
Mitra.
they have
So
introduced
police
that one
Mitras.
also. See,
A
the
new
government is doing
narrative they
something,
have given.
dear children, the government is doing something like the ball in our court, right? So they have thrown the ball in girls' court now. So how to play with that ball is all in our hands. So I just want to
Absolutely.
request you, don't go reckless or careless about this. Don't ignore anything about your safety. because you may think that it's okay, just in the nearby place we are moving, just to side of that lane or something, like we are going and coming back very soon. It takes little time and there is nothing to worry about it. ఏమవుతుంది, ఏం కాదు, అక్కడే కదా, వెళ్ళొచ్చేద్దాం కదా, ఇలాంటివి ఇప్పుడు మనం చాలా ఆలోచించి ఇలాంటివి మాట్లాడుకోవాలమ్మా.
Because
ఎందుకంటే
no danger gives you a warning bell. No danger gives you a warning bell, madam. No danger gives a warning bell. All lurching.
ఇంటి నుంచి బయట అడుగు పెట్టాల్సింది. ఎందుకంటే this is not like we are going very submissive to all the things. Don't think that. మనం ఇలా చేస్తుండడం వల్ల మనం వాళ్ళకు భయపడి ఏదో చేస్తున్నాము అని అనుకోకండి. వాళ్ళతో మనమేం భయపడడం లేదు. మనం ధైర్యంగా ముందుకు వెళ్లాల్సిందే. అది ఎవరు ఆపలేరు, ఆపకూడదు కూడా. అది అంతవరకు మనం ఆలోచించకూడదు. మనం ఆలోచించాల్సింది ఏంటి, ముందర వెళ్ళినప్పుడు ఒక పెద్ద గుంట ఉంది, ఆ గుంట బురదతో నిండి ఉంది, ఆ బురదలో కాలు పెట్టకుండా పక్క నుంచి వెళ్ళాలా లేదా దానిపై నుంచి దూకి అధిగమించి వెళ్ళాలా, అంతేగాని బురద గుంట ఉందని వెనక్కి రాకూడదు. ఇది బాగా గుర్తుంచుకోండి. అలా చేసేటప్పుడు ఎలాంటి ప్రికాషన్స్ తీసుకోవాలా అనేది మాత్రమే మనం ఆలోచించాలి. ఇప్పుడు భగవంతుడు మనల్ని చాలా చాలా బ్యూటిఫుల్ గా పుట్టించాడమ్మా. All the girls are so beautiful. What to do? We are like flowers. You know how the flower will be beautiful? Anybody will see the flower. So let them see. That's not a worry. But when they want to pluck it out, that is a problem. So we have to see take our precautions and see our safety so that we should not be plucked out. అదొక్కటే, ధైర్యంగానే ముందుకెళ్ళాలి. సో ఏం చేయాలి ఇలా చేయడానికి అనేది ఆలోచించి చేసుకోండి. అది చెప్పానమ్మా, మొబైల్లో యాప్ ఉన్నంత మాత్రాన మొబైల్ పర్స్ లోనో బ్యాగ్ లోనో ఎక్కడో పెట్టేసి ఉంటాం. ఆ మొబైల్ తీసేంత టైం కూడా మనకు ఉండకపోవచ్చు. అది కూడా మీరు ఒకసారి ఆలోచించుకొని ఎక్కడ పెట్టాలి, మొబైల్ ఏ ప్లేస్ లో పెట్టుకోవాలి, ఎక్కడ పెడితే మనం ఈజీగా దాన్ని తీసి యాప్ అనేది ఎలా ఆన్ చేయగలం, ఇలాంటివి కూడా మీరు చాలా ఆలోచించి జాగ్రత్తగా ఫాలో అవ్వాలి. కేర్లెస్ వద్దు, ఇగ్నోరెన్స్ వద్దు.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. I hope MITS girls are really, I mean, they're super intelligent and super smart and they know how to take care of themselves. And then because they're under the guidance of, under the able guidance of many smart faculty members like you, like madam, like many people.
Like
so,
you too.
Be smart, my dear students, all the girl students, irrespective of the gender. We have to be very, very smart and let us utilize the opportunity which is given by, I mean, which is with this initiative is giving a better safety precautions to all of us. So let us utilize. Apart from that, what madam said, you know, your confidence is the one which is really going to help you. Your intelligence is another one which will be with you all the time. So your confidence and your intelligence and your thinking process, it should be active all the time. Be aware, live every moment. What are the threats are there? What is going to happen? If I do this, what will happen? If I do that, what will happen? What are the pros and cons if I take this step? You start thinking, you start analyzing, and you start seeing the big picture of such things. Then immediately you can really avoid all the eventualities. This is what madam is trying to say, and this is what all of us are trying to say. Madam.
Most of the students, you know, girl students might have been absent today. Maybe I don't know how many have attended this, attending this and listening to us. I don't know, but I always seen the girls and of course the generation. I would always call you the better generation than us. Like, right? You are ahead of us. You are in front of us always. We are your back, right? So we are always behind you. We are the past generation. We are the past generation and you are the next generation. Always, according to the Darwin's theory.
They require. That is only enough.
Suresh P. Suresh, your mobile, you need to mute your mobile. Yes, P. Suresh P. You have to mute your mobile. Suresh.
That's good.
Suresh, you have to mute your mobile.
Yeah,
Thank
Suresh
you.
did that. Thank you, Suresh.
Thank you.
So what I was talking about your generation, girls. Yours is the next generation. We are back of you. We are the past generation. According to the Darwin's law or theory, scientific theories or whatever, what these theories tell, always the next generation has more capacity, more powerful, more intelligent, more brilliant, more workmanship. Everything, strength wise, whatever, mental capacity, physical capacity, whatever you see, that is more than the past generation. So you know better what to do. It is the simple thing that most of the students would not think about that. They will definitely act once they think about that. ఒక్కసారి ఆలోచించండి. మీరు ఆ చక్కగా ఎంత బాగా స్ట్రాటజైజ్ చేసుకొని మీరు ముందుకు వెళ్తారో మీకే తెలీదు. మేము చూస్తుంటాం కాబట్టి నేను చూసి చెప్పగలుగుతున్నాను. అంటే ఎవరు థింక్ చేసి మైండ్ తో ఒక నిమిషం ఒక పని చేసే ముందు ఆలోచించి ఎవరైతే చేస్తారో వాళ్ళ రిజల్ట్ ఎలా ఉంటుంది, అబ్బా వీళ్ళు ఇంత ఇంత చక్కగా చేసింది ఈ అమ్మాయి అబ్బాయి లేకపోతే ఈ స్టూడెంట్ ఇలా చేసిందని నేను ఎన్నోసార్లు ఆశ్చర్యపోతుంటాను. ఎందుకంటే నా మైండ్కి వచ్చే ఉండదు, అది మీ మైండ్కి వస్తుంది. అంటే దాని అర్థం ఏంటి? Definitely the next generation is more brilliant than the past generation. Absolutely. But provided you must think. Without thinking or experience, what to do next, giving 2 seconds or 2 minutes for that, you can't do that. You can't do that. You can never do that. That also I can tell. That is also about by my experience. So what to do? You have to think what to do next. I mean to say, the government has introduced this app, Disha. Very good. Absolutely fine. That is introduced. But by just mere introducing
It's
and
not
making
going to help us.
for workshops is not enough. Is not at all enough. Your mind, your confidence, your thinking capacity, your workmanship, that's what proves. And these are all what support us. Whatever the things like this all support us. మనకి ఒక చక్కటి సపోర్ట్ సిస్టమ్ ఇస్తున్నారు. దాన్ని మనమే utilize.
That's it.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, madam. That's what we have to utilize. That's what I'm saying. So depending on the technology is like this. I had prepared a PPT and suddenly my LAN is not working, and you can see my LAN is not working, and my mobile data, it's not
Okay, ma'am.
supporting
You can show it
and
like
all that. In
Yeah,
spite
you
of
can show
that,
it like that, ma'am.
ma'am, in spite of that, madam and me, we are just going ahead. Let the technology fail, let the technology fail, let the time fail. But if we are intelligent and capable, we can go ahead, we can dash off the problems. My dears, this is what I wanted to tell. Yes, madam. In the why don't we give any anecdote, or you had any experience like earlier?
Yeah, let
You
us
felt like threatened. You felt like threatened.
Ma'am, let us ask the students if they can come out with their own experience in this connection. They might have
totally
definitely.
agree.
Yeah. So, my children, if you want to share anything that you might have got across such a situation where you couldn't do anything, but of course, by God's grace, you are now here. That is a different thing. But you could have experienced that either with you or with your friends. So that please share that experience so that everybody should know what we can do. We could have done better in that particular moment, opposition.
I agree, ma'am. In India, especially in our area, we feel threatened to speak even such things. Let me give let me give the experience of my sister's daughter. Ma'am, she was riding a bicycle. She was then around 17 to 18 years old, madam. She was going to a tuition. She is doing her graduation final year, and she was going to her tuition. She was riding by a cycle, and a main road, madam, main road. I think
Yeah.
somebody tried to pull her into the auto.
Okay.
So she was still with the cycle, and they dragged her to such extent that she fell down. Still trying to drag her. You know what she did? She gave a big shout, and then she did not move, madam. She used all her strength and stick on to the floor.
Okay.
Get up at all. Like she fell down on the floor, and then she did not give them an opportunity to lift her and put her in the auto.
That's what I
Even
say.
that was the thing. So she got bruises and all, but never mind. Nothing happened. By God's grace, nothing happened. Okay,
Yeah.
bruises. A day or two, we can apply medicine. We can apply some balm. Fine, but nothing had happened. She is safe. So that way, I just want my girls. Even I faced such a situation when I was in a bus standing. Fellow was trying to touch me. I just took out a pen from my bag. I mean, not now.
Yeah. Yeah.
Then I
When you
was
were
young. Then I
when you
was
were very
young and
smart,
beautiful also.
when you were very smart
Not
and
now.
beautiful.
Those days. Okay, in my primes. I just took out the pen and then gave a shot like this. I gave a shot. Finish. Fellow did not say anything. He can neither shout, and he can neither say, yeah, how can you do this? Because the whole mob will beat him black and blue. That's the thing, ma'am. We should know how
That
to
is what
safeguard ourselves.
Ma'am, I was talking in the beginning. We don't know how we get the threatening dangers, dangerous situations. That's what my problem. I think this is the session, something beyond this app also, so that we can make our students aware of those threatening dangers in their lives. So we can't,
Once,
tomorrow they are all going to get married, they are going to give birth to some girl children, and these are the students who become mothers, and these mothers should also be very, very careful
brave
with
and
their
careful.
children. So this session is something beyond this app also. So try to understand, my dear girls. So now you can please share any one of your experiences, as just Madam
I
has shared.
shared two. I shared my experience, two
You,
experiences.
yeah,
So you can.
yeah, please.
Anyone, unmute your mic and speak. Any of you, please unmute your mic. No, they don't want to. They can't,
No
ma'am.
one,
They
no one
can't,
wants
ma'am.
to share. Yeah,
I just want
No
to throw
experience.
light on what. Yeah.
yeah.
Good.
There is a
Go ahead.
girl.
No experiences, ma'am.
We don't have kind of issues, ma'am.
So
Of
always
course.
you
Yeah.
are protected, is it? How long we be protected? How
We are
long we
protecting
expect?
ourselves, ma'am.
No,
That's the spirit.
beyond that protection, you didn't have any experience of making yourself all alone. Any work like that? Apart from being given protection by your parents or somebody else, you didn't do any work until now alone, or you didn't travel anywhere alone, or something like
I'd
that.
like to, ma'am.
We
Yeah.
traveled, ma'am.
Hmm.
Ma'am, can you hear my voice, ma'am?
Of
Of
course,
course, we
ma. Of
hear, baby.
course.
Yeah, ma'am.
This is my latest experience. Going to college, ma'am. Early in the morning, like I was going to the bus.
Sindhu, switch off other microphones and then speak on, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Yeah.
this is the I'm
Okay,
using.
Sindhu, speak.
I was coming to college early in the morning at 5:30, ma'am. I was
Mm.
to catch a bus in the bus stand near, I mean, circle, ma'am. I had to catch a RTC bus, so I was going there. I was going all alone. So while going, I saw a person who was half naked, was drunk, and I felt that he was rushing towards me, ma'am. I was on the other side, and he was on the opposite side of the road. We were in the other side. So when I saw him, I was really worried, and then I rushed from there. I ran from there, ma'am. So after for some time, I had my friend over there. She was waiting there. So how I overcome that problem.
Very good.
Very good, very good. And she joined in NCC, madam. She knows how to protect herself. Sindhu is in the battalion, NCC
I think each and
battalion.
every girl student has to join that karate classes.
Yeah.
Ma'am,
Yeah.
this is senior
My,
too.
my, yeah.
In schools, there must be a class for girls and for everyone to self-protect, ma'am. It must be a mandatory thing to teach students self-defense.
Yes, yes.
Awesome, awesome.
Thank you, Sarika. What's the name? Sindhu. Thank you,
Sindhu, ma'am. She's Sindhu.
That's so good. So all
good afternoon, ma'am.
Yeah.
Vijayalakshmi, ma'am.
Who is
Ma'am?
presenting?
Good
Who is
afternoon.
presenting?
Ma'am, we are presenting, ma'am.
There is another girl, please.
Ma'am?
Kusma
Yeah.
madam. Kusma madam.
ma'am.
Disha's
ma'am.
first success. Disha's first success. The last slide, 15th slide you present, ma'am.
15th slide.
Yes, ma'am. Please.
Yes. Yeah.
Quickly come to the rescue.
Okay.
So our department is helping. Come on.
Yes, ma'am. The 15th slide is, ma'am.
Yeah, ma'am. YouTube
clicking.
link is there. Switch it
Yes,
on,
ma'am. We
ma'am.
are opening, ma'am. Opening.
Yeah, do that. Thank you, ma'am.
Ma'am?
Yeah. Who is that?
Ma'am, I would like to share a thing, ma'am. It's not my experience, but I would like to share this here, ma'am.
Anita, go ahead. Anita, go ahead.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, a girl is objectified everywhere, ma'am.
Yeah.
Yeah.
See, we are all futures, mothers, sisters. Let's teach our boys not to objectify them. It's not all about glamour. We are all equal. There's just gender difference between us. It's not about we should see a girl different. We should look a girl differently. We should treat her differently. Let's make it everybody equal. There is nothing like glamour. There is nothing like beauty. There is nothing like that. Everybody is equal in this world. Let's teach them that, ma'am.
Of course,
Anita.
we have to teach them. We have to teach them, and we have been doing that. It's not that we are just telling them that this is so beautiful and this is glamorous. No, nobody is teaching them anyway like that. But we have to understand at the same time how the things are happening through some experiences. We are focusing through those experiences. We are focusing on some discussion like this. And of course, you are absolutely right. We should educate the boys in such a way. That's very good, and everybody has to understand. And your generation must definitely should know about this, because tomorrow you are the future of India, and you are making it possibly everything in a golden era or golden age for your generation. So if everybody understands the way, that's absolutely right. We should teach. We should do that.
Yeah, both male and female are equal. This equality, unfortunately, only in our country we are not able to understand. Let us, we will have this.
Shall we play?
This is just a beginning. This is just a beginning. We will continue that discussion later. Probably Kusma madam is ready for presentation. Kusma madam, if you are ready, you can just finish.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Say the
Okay.
first success of Disha, you just see, and then we will have little more discussion. Okay.
చూస్తున్నాం దిశ యాప్ లో అద్భుతంగా పనిచేస్తోంది. ఇవాళ ఈ యాప్ ఓ దుండగుడి ఆట కట్టించింది. విశాఖపట్నం నుంచి విజయవాడ వెళ్తున్న బస్సులో మహిళ పట్ల బసవయ్య నాయక్ అసభ్యకరంగా ప్రవర్తించాడు. దీంతో సదరు మహిళ దిశ SOS ద్వారా పోలీసులకు ఫిర్యాదు చేసింది. 7 నిమిషాల వ్యవధిలోనే ఏలూరు 3 టౌన్ పోలీసులు బాధితురాలి వద్దకు చేరుకున్నారు. మహిళతో అసభ్యకరంగా ప్రవర్తించిన బసవయ్య నాయక్ ను పోలీసులు అదుపులోకి తీసుకుని కేసు నమోదు చేశారు. దిశ చట్టం తీసుకొచ్చిన తర్వాత మహిళలకు ఎలాంటి ఇబ్బందులు వచ్చినా, ఎలాంటి ఫిర్యాదులు అందినా పోలీసులు వెంటనే స్పందిస్తున్నారు. SOS కు ఫిర్యాదు చేసిన వెంటనే పోలీసులు బసవయ్య నాయక్ ను అదుపులోకి తీసుకోవడంతో బాధితురాలు ఆనందం వ్యక్తం చేసింది. మహిళా ప్రయాణికురాలు ఫిర్యాదుతో ఏలూరు 3 టౌన్ పోలీస్ స్టేషన్ లో 0 FIR నమోదు చేసినట్లు దిశ ప్రత్యేక అధికారి దీపికా పాటిల్ తెలిపారు. ఇదే విషయానికి సంబంధించిన పూర్తి సమాచారం తెలుసు రాజు ఇస్తారు.
దిశ చట్టం వచ్చిన తర్వాత
మేడం
ఎంత ఎంత
Yes, ma'am. Okay, okay.
Yeah.
So likewise it happens. Madam, how do you like it?
Yeah, very good, ma'am. This is one instance that we should all understand. Now, very good that the police, how the police are working on this, and the good intentions of the government has been, now working out. That's very nice. It's very good to see.
Really?
And even they
added to that, ma'am, I just wanted to, ma'am.
Yeah, when I downloaded that app, for just a trial, I just press it on the SOS. After exactly 6 minutes, I got a call. Ma'am, you have sent we have received an SOS from you. So what is the reason that you have called us?
That's a beautiful
I feel very happy. Really, it is working. Really, it is working.
It's working. She wanted to give a real life demo. Madam wanted to give a real life demo, so she did it and she is successful. So you are also successful. You can also, every life is not like Geeta Govindam story. There, well, Geeta Govindam, the same thing, how Geeta faces that problem, and then how Vijay Devarakonda, he was behind, he sat beside her and then he tried to kiss her and all that, that entire story. But all is well and finally it ends well, but not everybody's life is like Geeta Govindam. So how many people really suffered like that, because of the misbehavior of men in the bus, men in the travel, and many things do happen. Even in the international flights, the next fellow who sits, if he is a very awkward fellow, many times we have to face such situations. So some such Disha app, if it is there, and it's really going to help us. So girls, never hesitate to raise voice against such a thing. Please
Absolutely.
Raise your voice against. How long you feel, how long you tolerate, how long you expect people, how long you want to teach male, come on, you treat us well, you treat us equal. Instead, you raise your voice and then you prove that, okay, we are stronger than you. We are emotionally stronger. We are emotionally stronger. We are empowered. If you are going to prove this, then no male can take you for a ride, or no man can take you granted for. Yes, madam?
Yes, ma'am. Absolutely, ma'am. Absolutely good. So all the girls should understand what madam is saying, that educating boys and educating others comes next. What is the first thing? First priority?
Empower ourselves.
Ourselves into consideration and see for ourselves what we can do. So this is the session exclusively for what we can do. So all the girls should understand. And any other girl to share your experience, like whatever, if you want to suggest anything, if you want to share anything with us, any other girl?
Yeah, please. Please go ahead.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Yes. Good afternoon.
Yeah, ma'am. I'm Tahira, ma'am, from MCA.
Yeah.
Recently,
Good.
Yes, ma'am. Recently, I faced one problem, ma'am. That I went to Jatra in our village, ma'am. There, one boy is calling every girl, "Can you come and sleep with me?" That like she is calling everyone, ma'am.
Oh my God.
I don't know each and every girl. Each and every girl is they are silently moving on. They are silently. They don't know why they are. I don't know why they are not reacting. I don't know how they feel. But she asked me also. He asked me also. I said only one thing to that boy. If you send your sister to my father, then I will come with you. That thing I said to
Beautiful
him.
reply. Beautiful reply.
Good.
Give such.
Very good.
Give such boomerang. That's all. Fellow will.
Actually, I didn't understand why girls are not replying to that boy. Why they are silently moving on. I can't understand, ma'am, why they are silent. I just reply like that only.
Hesitations,
Yes, ma'am. This silent.
hesitations, fear.
Yes,
Thank you so much. Thank you so much,
Tahira, hats off. Hats off, Tahira.
Yeah, you
This
have
is the way we. This
But
is
I
the way
want
we
to
be
say each and
treated.
every girl. But I want to say each and every girl. We face every problem. We have to shout, ma'am. We have to talk. We have to raise our voice.
That's all.
Then only we self protect ourselves, ma'am. Otherwise, we can't.
But
We have
Tahira,
to.
Tahira, Nohira.
Tahira, ma'am.
Tahira, you did a great job. There is no any
great job.
hesitation to say that you are a wonderful girl to speak out such sentence in such a circumstance. Okay, surrounding by all those boys there, and you have spoken out those words. That's absolutely fine. But I just request you, Tahira, to please make yourself safe by keeping certain things in your bag or in your handbag or wherever you go, because you are bold enough to do such things, right? You will do
Pepper
anyway.
spray, madam, pepper spray, or even a nail cutter in the bag, pepper spray in the bag, or pepper powder in the bag, or chili powder in the bag. All these things, they help you girls.
You can call immediately. This is where the students have to react and do that. Utilize that app. Okay, so it is absolutely.
Okay, but I have to say one thing to all our girls, ma'am.
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
They have to raise their voice when they are facing any problem, ma'am. They have to raise, because no one will like that. I mean, I want to say be like me, like that me only. But first of all, we have to raise. We have to talk. Whatever the problem will be. But I don't know why they are silent. I don't know how they are treating the words. I don't know. The boys, not all the boys, but some boys are doing like that.
Tahira, everybody will not be as bold as you, ma. It is not possible for everybody. That's the reason why the government is taking certain steps to get them onto the picture, to pull them, they are pulling them. Okay, we are trying, and from your side, you also try to do, you also try to motivate the students whenever you find opportunity like this.
Motivate.
Okay, ma'am. Definitely, ma'am. I will.
Yeah.
Just
thank you.
All that we need to do is speak boldly. Speak boldly. Communicate what all feelings you have, without any hesitation. Clearly, you just share your mind. Finish. The whole world comes around. And then we need not ask for others to empower us. We need to empower. We need to declare ourselves. That's all. How madam declared herself. How myself, I declared myself. I'm bold. I said, I'm bold. How many of you are bold? Madam, are you not bold? Can't you come out of such problem? Can't you come out of such problem if you face many times we must have faced? Come on, domestic violence. Yeah, domestic violence is there many times. Yeah, ma'am.
When I was studying degree, I used to travel by bus to Padmavati Women's College during my degree course, graduation. So
Madam, there
every
will be a big line, madam, I know, because of your beauty, beauty and then
Yeah.
your activeness, you know, people will be, I mean, there'll be a big queue. We don't, we have no doubt. But at the same time, I appreciate your boldness. So there,
at the moment, ma'am,
you empowered yourself.
no, the stray boys, I would say stray boys, not somebody
boys.
else, you know, stray boys. Somebody, they used to call me now, hey, Bharatanari usta undira, Bharatanari. అవును నేను భరతనారి నీకేం కావాలో చెప్పు. I would stand in front of them and ask them ఏం కావాలో నీకు.
In BT college, they used to call me Gatikuralu. That is my name. That is the title they have given me. Oh, Vijay Lakshmi na Gatikuralu. This is the way they used to call.
Yeah.
Fine, I don't mind. I don't mind being called as Gatikuralu, but I feel really safe and unthreatened. You know, I empower myself. That's the kind of brand we should have on us. No one should be dare enough to say a word, utter a word of vulgar language, you know, enough. That's all. Go straight and then give a back.
Then our voice speak, tongue speak, our eyes should speak.
Yes, yes, yes.
Eyes. The moment we, you know, the glance we look at them, that's enough. First, later we go for secondary things. You remember all, my dear girl children, you never, you should never be panicked with anything. Okay, don't think that only beautiful girls will be affected for this kind of things. No, all the girls, each and every girl is.
I want to remind you, every day we travel by the same road. Every day we travel by the same road. Right side, when I see that a hall, you know, wedding hall, every day, every time I remember that 5-year-old girl, how she was being raped. It is not beauty, it is not anything, it is mere lady. That is enough for any. Is it 60-year-old lady or 70-year-old lady or 6-year girl or 6 months girl? In our country, the worst thing, we speak about the norms, we speak about religions, we speak about everything. We don't know how to respect each other. And especially ladies, you know, ladies are victims, madam. Victims, irrespective of the age, Such sad situations happen. Near Angallu, in the wedding hall, in the broad sunlight, the girl was being kidnapped and she had been raped and thrown, madam, thrown in the bushes. Imagine such a condition. My dears, we should know how to safeguard ourselves. All of us, irrespective of age, no one is safe. But at the same time, we should know how to think about our own safety, and we should know because no God or no our own boyfriend or husband or father or brother or no one is going to come. You know, your confidence is your friend. Your communication is your friend. Your great power is your intelligence, your thinking. That is your greatest friend, which is with you all the time. Okay, that is your partner. That is your partner, not the fellow who is sitting there in office and then working for somebody, or who is sitting in the class and studying. But not that. Your confidence is the one that's going to help you, and you have to have that kind of confidence with you all the time. Make use of the technology for all the useful way, in a very wonderful way, and then be resourceful and be a real contributor to the country. We expect you this. So let us make use of Disha app and then safeguard ourselves. You can propagate this information of AP government, initiative of AP government to everybody. Let all the female who are capable of using the smartphone. So let them download Disha app, let them get benefited. Okay. Ma'am, anything else you would like to say?
The conclusion. The ma'am has given the conclusion. So from my side also, I request all the girls to download this app, and I request especially the LRs to please take care of all your classmates, no girls especially, and of course boys will also support anyway. You know, most of the boys support you in this way. In many boys are very good. Don't think that all the boys
are very good. Many are very good, ma. Many are very good. They'll be very helpful.
Good. So you can take help and support from them also. And the elders, please see that all the students of your class should download this app. We shouldn't supposed to ask for how many students have downloaded this. No, there is nothing like this. Okay. Thank you so much. Thank you for sharing
Thank you so much for being with us.
Girls shared their views. I'm happy.
Madam,
Thank
2
you.
minutes. 2 minutes, please wait.
2 minutes, ma'am.
Kalpana madam. Kalpana
Yes.
madam. Ma'am.
Yes.
2 minutes, ma'am. Like,
Yes, madam.
I request everyone to turn on your videos. Just take
Switch
a
on your
screenshot.
videos.
Everyone turn on your camera.
We are going to have a photo shoot. Come on, girls.
Yes, yes, yes.
Switch on your videos. Yeah, that's good. Only one girl. Come on, Anita. Tahira. That's beautiful. Come on, as many as possible. At least 10 to 15. Switch on your video more. Switch on your video. You take a photo shoot. Yes, Kusuma madam. That is the spirit. Good, Nandini. Siri, come on, you can do it. Tahira, we heard your voice. We want to see you, Tahira.
Yes, ma'am. Here only, ma'am. I switch on the mic, ma'am. Hi, ma'am.
Oh, Lavanya, Tahira, yeah, good. That's the beauty. Madam, you can have a screen shots.
Yes, madam. We complete.
Are we all with you? Do you think KP government is with
Yes.
you? Yeah. Do you want somebody to give you empowerment, or you want to empower yourselves?
We want to
We will empower myself.
Yes, say one boom. Or thumbs up. Anyways. Good luck.
Okay, Kusuma?
Yes,
Thank you so much.
Yeah. Shall we now?
Yeah. Thank you, ma'am.
Yes,
Thank you so
yes.
much, ma'am.
Thank
Thank
you,
you,
Kusuma.
everyone.
Thank you,
Thank you,
Kalpana.
Kusuma. Thank you, madam. Kalpana, madam.
Feelings, to speak
Thank
to
you,
our
thank you,
girl
madam.
children.
Thank you very much.
Thank you
Thank you very much, SW madam and the International Vijayalakshmi madam and all my students. Okay, so thank you, Kusuma madam. Thank you all. Thank you.
Bye-bye only for now. We will meet again. Okay. We'll have many
Yes, madam.
number of webinars and we'll have discussion forums. We'll have
Definitely,
discussion
madam.
forums.
Sure.
Bye-bye, ma'am. Bye.
More than 300 attendees are there. Wow. That's a great success. Very nice. This is showing the
Nice.
interest of our
Thank
girl
you.
children. Very good. Ma'am, thank you.
Yes,
Kalpana.
madam.
Bye. Bye.
Thank you, madam.
Kalpana
Thank you,
madam,
madam.
Kusuma madam,
Thank you,
thank you.
Vijayalakshmi madam.
Thank
Sabina
you.
madam, thank you.
Bye,
All
ma'am.
students, thank you very
Thank
much.
you. Bye-bye.
Bye, madam. Thank you.
Bye.
Thank you.
Bye.
Thank you. Thank you, madam. We can leave. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you.
Thank you, madam.